Hello everyone, today we are going to make Manchurian with veg fried rice. So either you can make dry Manchurian or gravy Manchurian, but I'm going to make gravy Manchurian as it goes well with rice. So for that you need some finely chopped cabbage, green pepper, carrot, some crushed green chili, all-purpose flour and corn flour, ginger paste and some black pepper. So let's add this all together. Some cabbage, at this point you can add some onions if you want. I'm going to put some 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of corn flour, some ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of chili, add some chili sauce to give a bit flavor. As you see, it's all mixed well. So now I'm going to make some balls and then it's all ready to fry. Fry this. Do it on a medium flame. As you see, now it's all ready. It has turned into dark brown color. So I'm going to take it out and put them on the kitchen towel. So we fried Manchurian balls and they are all ready. For gravy, we need finely chopped carrots and cabbage. You can put onion as well. Some corn flour with water, chili paste, ginger paste, black pepper, soya sauce, vinegar, red chili sauce and some salt. I've heated the pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. So let's put some ginger paste, some chili paste, not too much, and my finely chopped. I'm going to add some finely chopped carrot, cabbage, saute well. Let's put some black pepper, some salt, some soya sauce, and some milk, and some chili sauce. Mix well. Let's pour some water. Mix well. And I'm going to put some corn flour. I'm going to add some corn flour with water to make the gravy thick. So it started getting a bit thicker now. So at this point I'm going to add Manchurian ball inside. And let's mix it well. Let it cook for 2-3 minutes and then you can serve it quickly. As you see, the Manchurian gravy is ready. So I'm going to serve this with veg fried rice. So let's pour that in the middle. Can't wait to eat this.